So Molly got a haircut. Wait till you see her beautiful mane. She's got a nice little trim. Here she comes, the pretty girl. Molly, you look so beautiful. So tomorrow you're gonna come on camera with me? Look at you. How gorgeous are you? Okay, wait a minute. Bobby. Anyway, look how pretty. It's all cut. She looks beautiful. She got all brushed. Right, Mo? Your eyes are clean. She looks so beautiful, our girl. Kiss, Mo. Oh, hi, everyone. Oh my gosh, I am on my mat. I am here today. I am present. Hi, everybody. Welcome. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Well, tonight I had to wear pants because it was totally cold out. So it's a little chilly, but we are going to be a little bohemian style tonight. So, I have somebody gave me this, which is so nice. It's my lucky armband. And let's go here. So how is everybody? Hope everybody had a great evening and Monday. Love Mondays, don't we? So, we're gonna do, so I just want to show you a little bit about my outfit tonight. We got some yoga pants on tonight. So we're wearing some black ones. I will link them. These will be all in my bio. This is actually from H&M. Love this little doodad. It's very pretty. Little peekaboo there. And we are going to get ready because I don't know how long I'm going to be out here tonight because I'm a little cold. But so I'm just happy I'm present. I do not have my tea. I am a little upset about that. So let's get this going right here. The trees are blooming. Hope everybody had a great evening last night. I just want to show you the trees. And, oops, sorry, we'll go this way. So we are sitting and we're going to do a little breath. And let's just take it in a little bit. Ready? And just breathe out. We're going to feel the energy from the sun. I'm just going to close my eyes a minute. Listen to nature. Do a little stretch. Over and stretch. And we're going to come up and take it in. Take it in again. And just feel the radiance of that sun going down. I believe it's like 6 or 6:30. It could be around 6, I think. And I'm just going to take it all in. We're going to sit and stretch our legs out. And if you're just joining me, thank you for joining my channel. Thank you for following me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can hear the birds. And we're going to do a little twist for the lower back. Now we're going to twist again. Oh, yeah. And we're going to reach over. And we're going to reach over again. Oh, look at that sky. That sky is just so beautiful. So tomorrow I will be doing a show, and we're definitely going to sit with Molly. And tonight we are going to just do some breath movements. I was thinking of bringing the blocks out, but I decided not to. So I think we're just going to be on the mat tonight a little bit, doing some stretching. And we're going to put our leg, and we're going to reach over, stretch. And we're going to put our hands back, and we're going to go into table. And we're going to switch over. Hip reflexors, and we're going to stretch those out a bit, and cat, and go right into cow. Oh, and lower that, get that bum up, and up, and down. There you go. It just feels so good. And we're going to one, and we're going to bring it in, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. These are like bat wings. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. And bring it in, and down, up, and down. There we go. Let's go to the other side. They're like bat wing. All right, so the bat wing can go over. We are gonna go 1 and 2. Kick it up. There you go. That's it. Get that heart pumping. Listen to the birds. Stretch it out in child's pose. And we're gonna move. Yeah, there you go. And stretch it out. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous out. Listening to the birds, I cannot believe how beautiful my tree is looking. My big oak, I think you guys remember. I'm gonna show you. Look at the leaves, are starting to come out. Like overnight it happens, I just love that. It's nice and quiet. Not too much commotion going on. My neighbors are not drilling. There's no lawnmowers going off. It's just a beautiful evening. So, I wish I had my tea right now, but my neck is actually feeling good today. I think it was all because of those neck stretches we did. And we're gonna do a little bit more. And go around. And back. We have the birds in the bird feeder, which I love having them. Oh. Is this thing starting to go wonky on me? I hope not. Forgot to charge it. We're gonna hold ourselves in a side position. This is really good for your core and stamina. I love this blouse. It's just very free-flowing. Sorry, I'm gonna try to fix this, my little armband. Okay, and we're gonna do the other side. And bring up your hips. If you can't do this, you can also use this leg as reinforcement. Okay, beautiful. Let me fix. Okay. So, what are the plans for tomorrow, peeps? I am going to get my nails done because they need to get done. We get our pedicures, and tomorrow I will have new color, still pink. So what should we do tomorrow? What color? I like doing dark. And just want to say thank you to everybody for going on to my Patreon, and it's just been really great. I had a lot of great feedback, and then we will do live sessions, Q&As, and that's pretty much it. I just wanted to get out here and see you all, and hopefully everybody will comment, like, and subscribe, because that's my jam, and it's just beautiful out. I love sitting outside in nature, and you guys know that. I just love it. So let's just take a minute and listen to the birds. All right. Oh, it's going wonky. All right, I'm gonna have to fix this.